Oh no.
You just fucked up the interior.
I'm gonna swap the seats.
Why?
If I need to, I'm gonna swap the seats.
We outside,
Bro, why are you
my
recording
boy.
me pissing my pants,
Oh,
bro?
Bro. Alright, now it's recording.
Oh,
no.
Nigga just made me hold the phone for fucking no reason.
I thought you was gonna press record. Damn. It's bad. We gonna make a 2-minute video then.
Big E63.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Right?
Yes, sir. Oh,
Brake.
what's the brakes?
You said, what's the brakes?
Alright, right here. Turn signals, you know. We follow the law. Oh, shit. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Shout out him, man. I love this dude.
Shout out
Big
him.
E63.
Love this dude too.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Let's see how long this video is gonna be though.
Oh yeah. Almost.
Look the interior. Oh. Oh yeah, look at it.
Starlux touch.
Oh yeah.
Salvage title.
Oh yeah.
Which title?
Alcantara roof.
Look at
Rollback
this.
mounts.
Oh.
But honestly, the interior is in good condition.
We kept it pretty, man.
Extended
Oh,
leather
yeah,
dash.
my boy.
I don't think that's an option.
Yeah, I know, but you know what I mean.
Yeah, that's crazy. That shit was not
I'm actually so
recording.
thankful I got the extended leather on the M3.
Bro, without extended leather, it looks like
It looks
shit.
weird.
You want to clear the code?
It's just gonna come back.
You want to clear it so you can enjoy it? Yeah.
You're gonna hear me terrorizing your neighborhood again.
One time? Oh. Oh, look at these beautiful downshifts, chat.
It's a ghost downshift. It's downshifting like my S-Class.
Where's the sound? Oh, shoot.
What?
The way the car's driving them.
Just a little. Oh.
Well, this car will forever be fun.
Huh?
This car will forever be fun.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good daily, but then you're going to need a daily for the day.
Oh, that's the tranny right there. I think.
The trans.
Shit.
Hey, watch
Happens
out.
too often. I know, I see him. Yeah, watch out, boy. We in the E63, guys. Oh, yeah.